Alright, the period just ended. We're about to go to the first floor and sit on the bench and start dipping, you know? Let's see where my seniors at. Where my seniors at? Oh, I'm holding the camera a little close. Look, Eddie, the Arabs, we're all meeting up. Come on, seniors.
Hey, Lawrence.
Hi, Dan. Hi, Marina. You're not cutting. What the fuck?
I'm not coming either, Dick.
Yeah, I know, dick. Come on, seniors are going. Everyone's going. Everyone's going. Let's go. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, seniors. Senior cut day. We out to the beach. You already know. Traveling down the stairs. Hope we don't run into no problems. You know. We out. No, we're going down the stairs. This fucking lame ass school. Couple of minutes, we should be out of here. Senior cut day, you know? Let's see what's going on the first floor. Yeah. What we got? Oh yeah, look at all these. Look at all these. Where's my seniors? Look at these seniors! 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 Dip, dip, dip. Say hi, say hi. Say hi. Bye. Bye, school. Bye, school. Look at this shit. Woo! We out. Whoa. Please. Senior cut day.
Oh, what are we gonna do without you guys?
Beach day, beach day. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi.
Oh, shit.
Hi, guys. Yo, that shit was fucking hilarious. Fucking Mr. Young came out like, please don't leave, please don't leave. Dip, 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 dip. Yo, I got that all shit on camera. I got all you on camera. Woo! Dip, dip, dip. Let's see what's going on. You see that crowd? Yo, that shit was fucking hilarious. Oh, so funny. Got my son Ali Hamora. He doesn't eat ham because he's halal. Anyway, for me, I think that was a success. You know, I didn't even expect that many people to like dip. That shit was crazy. We just like, I just got to the first floor. There was a whole shit load of people. We just fucking ran out. That was cool. That was cool. I feel good. Yeah, Lawrence. Woo! Woo! Say hi, guys. Say hi.
2011, bitch.
Say hi. Hey. Rob. Is that Rob? No, Jackie. Say hi, guys. Senior cut day. Say hi. Dip, dip, dip. Yo, it's pretty hot. Yo, say hi, guys. Senior cut day. Woo. This is all my seniors. We just left like 2 minutes ago. Shitload of people. I didn't expect this many seniors to run away. Mr. Young, Mr. Old. Say hi, Alan. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say hi. Oh my God, what the fuck are you doing out here? Yahudi. Just kidding, I love you. Anyway, we're all going to the train right now. Look, there's cool ass people at Subways. Who the fuck is that? Oh, that's like the volleyball team. Let's go visit them. Let's go visit them. Anyway, I don't know how many of us are going to the beach, but I look fucking sexy. Oh my God, say hi guys. Say hi guys. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Hi, senior cut day. Senior cut day, senior cut day. Senior cut day, senior cut day, senior cut day. Happy birthday. Yeah? Okay. So, see you guys later. We're about to head to the beach. I think we're going to Brighton. Come through, you know. Yeah. Peace out.